So hello guys, my name is Abdurrahman, and today I will show you how to uninstall programs in 4 different ways. So the first way is through control panel, and the easiest way to access control panel is to type it in search. After you enter the name, you can choose control panel app, and it will show you a bunch of icons, and you use programs. Under that you can see the uninstall program, and when you enter that, you will see here the programs that you can uninstall, and you just click it on the right side on your mouse, and it will show you uninstall the program. And this is the first way. So the second way is through PC setting, and the easiest way to access PC setting is Windows key plus I, and after that you will see the bunch of icons here, and you use apps. After you click apps, here you can see the programs that you want to uninstall. You just click on the app or the program, and it will show you immediately if you want to uninstall the program or not. And the third way is through start menu, which is located on the left corner. For example, if we use band fix, we just click the right click on your mouse, and it will show you also here if you want to uninstall the program or not. So the last way to uninstall the program is by using program tools, for example like CCleaner or Review Uninstaller. And that's it guys for today. Thank you for your attention, and that's it.